Now we will be starting the demo of warm-up exercises. First, deep breathing. When your hands are coming towards you, you are breathing in. When hands are going away from you, you are breathing out. Very slowly and gently. Legs should be a bit more than shoulder apart and bend. Now, if you have got this bending problem, you can just stand. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale very gently and deeply. Inhale, exhale. Now we will be doing the lateral spread. This is for chest and shoulder. Warm up. When you are making the spread, breathe in. And when you are closing your hand, bring your hands closer, you breathe out. 10 times, one set. The deep breathing also 10 times, one set. Now we will be doing the side hand raise 10 times, one set. First the right hand will come in front, then the left hand will come in front alternatively. You can start slowly, then you can increase the speed. Now the single hand raise for the shoulders alternatively 10 times, one set. Then this is the fly, lateral fly. This is for the shoulders, and this is a very good exercise, especially those who are having, who think they are prone to, cervical spondylosis. First, the hand should go deep towards your legs, and slowly the depth of the fly will need to be reduced, followed by the rotation of the shoulder, first to front, then reverse, 10 times, single set. Now this is again for a shoulder. This is shoulder rehab movement. This is one set you have to do, that is 10 repetitions. By doing this exercise, the rotator cuffs and the joints, shoulder joints, gets warmed up, and the synovial fluids flow increases in the shoulders, for the lubricating of the joints. Similar, this is also a type of shoulder rehab movement. Very good exercise for shoulder joints. This strengthens the shoulder muscles more than any other shoulder exercises. And use very light dumbbells. For example, I am using only 2 kg dumbbells. Now this is the stretch. Top stretch with backwards bending. This is for the backbone and the neck muscles. You have to go up on your toes as much as you can go up comfortably, then come down and slowly go towards your back, bend back comfortably. Don't take, you need not have to go too much. First only do till you are comfortable. Don't stretch yourself. Now this is the side view. You did not go so much, you only just go whichever is comfortable to you. Now once again I will be showing from the front side. Go up on your toes, come down, slowly go back. This also 10 times, one set. All the exercises till now, all are 10 repetitions, one set. Now this is the side twist. This is again for the backbones. This is for the flexibility of the backbone. Very slowly you have to do it. First right bend, then left bend. Now we will be doing the backbone twist. These are all for backbone flexibility, because when you will be lifting weights or doing other exercises, backbone is a thing, it's like an axis. It's like a earth has an axis, the whole balance of the earth depends upon this axis. So this is the axis of your body. So backbone. Now this is the front lunges. This is for the thigh. This is for the front muscle of the thigh and glutes. Now the sideways. This is for the inner thighs and the groins. All remember, 1 set, 10 repetitions. Now we will be doing the wrist for wrist mobility, because all the weights you will be lifting during your main workout, you have to use your wrist. So your wrist should function very well, should be very well greased with the fluids inside the rotator cuffs. Now this is the Shiv Pranam. This is a yoga exercise. This is very good for backbone, legs, your core, neck, shoulder muscles, and also arms. Bend, go down. When you are pulling your hand inside, press your teeth and suck in from your mouth. And when you are moving your hand forward, you should breathe out from your mouth with your pressed. Your teeth should be pressed. This is I am showing in a very slow motion, but you have to do in a speed later on. When you are very acquainted, you get acquainted with this exercise. It's like Now I will be showing this exercise in a bit faster pace. This is the Shiv Namaskar or Shiv Pranam. Yeah. This is this is a combination. This is compound exercise. This is a yoga exercise, but it's a compound exercise for the whole body. Now I am showing you the spot jogging. This is a very good exercise for the whole body blood circulation. The heart gets ready to pump for the main exercise in the main workout, and there is a loosening of muscles throughout the body, and your body temperature automatically increases.